Hello everyone. Thank you so much for taking a little bit of time out of your day to come and just relax for yourself. You've stressed out throughout the entire day. You've done a lot of hard work, so this is a great time to get back some of that mental and physical energy for yourself and to just allow your body to relax, to be calm, and to rest easy regardless of whatever is going on outside of you. So this is just going to be a nice little guided meditation where we're going to focus on some deep breathing, which again will help you relax your body and rest at ease. So for starters, what you need to do is find a nice comfortable chair for yourself where nothing is too rickety or you feel like you're going to fall over, but it might have a nice cushion, might have a nice backrest, and it might even have some arms. Whatever chair you're using, it really doesn't matter as long as it's comfortable for you and you only. Remember, this is your time for yourself. You've been working hard all day, so we're going to give ourselves some time to relax and recover. So go ahead, and once you get down in your chair, we're going to start to focus in on some deep breathing. Now, deep breathing is very important as it allows our body and our mind to relax and rest easy. So go ahead and take a big breath in for me. We're going to hold that breath for just a second, and then we'll slowly release that breath all out into the air. Beautiful. Let's go ahead and we'll do that one more time. Breathe in for me, and we'll breathe out once again. Excellent. Go ahead and find a nice consistent breath pace for yourself. We don't need to force anything and have our breath too quick or too long. Just have something that's nice, relaxing, natural, and comfortable for yourself. Or breathing in, holding for maybe a pause or two, and releasing all that air back into the universe. As we continue to move through our deep breathing, allow your body to relax, almost as if your arms and your legs were two giant heavy cinder blocks. With every exhale, they become even heavier. You may start to notice your heart rate slowly drop. And this is great because it means you're finally allowing your body and mind to relax and rest easy. The more you breathe, the more we can relax. Breathe in and breathe out. Beautiful. Breathe in, hold for a second, and breathe out. Excellent job, everyone. Go ahead and still find that consistent breathing pattern. That's going to be your anchor as you move through this. If you find yourself getting off task or thinking about things outside of our breath, just focus back in on that breathing and remind yourself and your body to relax. This is your time. So what we're going to do is act with a little imagery where we're going to imagine ourselves out in the wilderness with some birds chirping. Maybe there's some bees buzzing by. Maybe some branches are getting snapped by some deer. Regardless, go ahead and put yourself in the middle of nature, again allowing that breath to fill your lungs with air entirely. And as you breathe out, exhale all your worries and energy into the air. The animals and insects around you buzzing by, doing their thing, acting non-judgmental as you relax in their habitat. Maybe as you breathe in this next breath, you smell the subtle scent of pine or cedar or oak. Maybe you're nearby a fellow lake, which is to the brim with lots of different fish and wildlife. Regardless of where you're at, be at peace. This is time for yourself to breathe in and breathe out. Good. Listen into those sounds, the birds chirping. Allow yourself to be even more calm knowing that their sounds are very joyful and they're chattering with each other. You are a part of their world now, allowing yourself to be one with them. Breathe in, hold for a second, and breathe out. Good. As you continue to look around, just remind yourself of how happy you are to give yourself this time to relax and breathe easy. Breathe in, hold for a moment, and breathe out. Beautiful. Enjoying the nice subtle sound of the wind going by your hair, feeling it blow everything to the side, a nice gentle breeze. Allowing your relaxation to become even further. Your arms and legs are resting completely heavy as you breathe in and breathe out throughout the entire motion. Good. You are enjoying this time in wilderness. Breathe in, hold for a second. Excellent, excellent, and breathe out. Good. As we finish up here, we're going to take a couple more big deep breaths, filling our lungs completely with air and relaxing as we breathe out all the negative energies. Say goodbye to your fellow birds, your deer, and all the insects and everything in the habitat. You'll see them again soon. And as we take our final breath to come all the way back in, we'll exhale the last bit of our worries into the earth and enjoy as we take on the rest of the day. Thank you everyone for joining me for some guided meditation and deep breathing. We'll catch you in the next little clip, and I hope you have a wonderful, relaxing rest of your day.